Hey guys, welcome back to the BirdsParty channel. And yes, it's that time of year again when we start crafting for Christmas. Hopefully you can join me for a craft session today where we'll be making these really pretty but really easy to make Dunn inspired Christmas tree ornaments. These are so cool because we've used most products that you probably already have at home. First thing you're going to need is a can of spray paint, and I'm using matte white, and you can use any color you like, obviously, but basically we are going to be recycling some jar lids. I've used different sizes jar lids to match my printable stickers that I'm going to be adding to the front of these ornaments, but you can use, if you want, the exact same sizes, 5.5 centimeters, and I'll be sure to leave details down in the description box, as well as a link where you can download these printables. I created them especially for this project, and there are different sayings, as you can see: faith, peace, love, and everything else. And I printed onto white cardstock, but there's also a black version available as well. And I'm going to use a round paper punch, and basically this one is perfect to fit the size of the printables that I designed here. So it's 5.5 centimeters in diameter, and basically all you're going to do is going to punch out these circles using a paper puncher. You can use a circular punch as well, or you can leave them as squares and maybe create some square ornaments. That would work as well, or use them as gift tags, treat toppers, anything else you like. Your imagination is the only limit for these printable designs. They're so pretty, so clean, and you can use them for so many different projects. But today we're going to be making these really nice Dunn inspired ornaments. And once your lids are dry, I did a couple of coats of the matte white spray paint, and don't worry if they're not perfect. You can actually distress your lids as well if you like that kind of modern farmhouse look. So you can distress the metal a little bit with a little black pen or like a Sharpie pen. I think that looks really cool as well. And then you're going to stick your printables on the front of the lid, and for this I found the best glue to use was just a regular school stick glue. And there you have it. It looks so pretty just as it is. You can add a little hole at the top like I have done so here, and hang it straight on the tree, or use it for different projects just as it is, or you can kind of pimp it up a little bit more which I always like to do. And basically I'm just using some jute twine. You can use string or transparent string or any other color you like I said. These printables, they also come in black with a white text, so you could have spray painted the lids with matte black spray paint. That would work as well, or red, or any other color that you like. And then we're going to make a little garland to go around our ornaments, and we're going to be using wooden beads. Now this idea was totally inspired by another YouTuber. You probably know her. She's really big and she loves to do DIY crafty stuff. It's the Latina next door. I'll be sure to leave the link down in the description box to her channel, and she made something very similar, but she used a different technique. But the idea basically, and the inspiration, came from her, so this is not my idea. She didn't use lids, she used something else, so I'll let you check out her video to find out the difference between this project. But I liked to use these lids because I had them at home. It's good to recycle and basically use something that you're going to chuck in the trash to create something pretty, and the kids can help. As you can see, there's nothing difficult. There's no dangerous craft supplies apart from the hot glue that's coming later on, so obviously you need adult supervision for that, but it's pretty straightforward. Obviously also with the beads, I wouldn't get the really small children below the age of 5 to help you out, but older kids certainly, it's a great craft project to do as a family. So basically going to do a little wreath using the little beads, and I'm using kind of like natural wood beads that you can find at any local craft store. And you're going to make a little wreath basically to go around your ornament, and once that fits perfectly around your lid, you're going to tie with a knot, and then you can further decorate it. Again, I'm using some Christmas tree little picks and little berries, so you can get a local craft store, and I'll leave some links down in the description box once again for people who live in France. But you can get these on Amazon, on the Dollar Tree. You can kind of recycle last year's decorations, and just pick something, or go to your garden, if you want the natural look and you don't want to spend any money. So you can kind of go foraging for these little bits and bobs, little pine cones, and kind of decorate your top of your ornament. Or you can use little ribbon like the Latina next door did. She used buffalo check ribbon or gingham ribbon, I think. Anyway, so this is my take on the inspired idea. And basically for the little berries, because they had a little wire metal pick, I just trimmed that with a little wire cutter, and just used a little bit of hot glue to stick everything to the top of my ornament. And you probably saw before, but you just, if you want to secure the little wooden bead wreath around your lid, just add a little dot of hot glue on the top and bottom. You don't need to go crazy with the hot glue, it stays in place quite nicely, and the string helps you to tie it to your tree, or to, you know, these ornaments will also be really good on gifts, on top of gifts. I think they look super cute, so that when you give out a gift, not only they act as a little tag embellishment, but the recipient can actually then put them on their own tree, you know. So as a keepsake, you could use photos on these, you know, you could use any kind of printables that you like. And I also used a different color bead. I don't know if you can tell with the lights because the sun was in and out of the shot, but I used kind of like a darker bead. So this is also a good idea if you're recycling like old necklaces or old jewelry, you know, so sometimes you get these and they break off and you don't know what to do with them. So it's a great way to recycle those as well. And there you have it, you guys, our Grey Dunn inspired recycled Christmas tree ornaments. Hope you guys enjoy the ideas. Hope you guys will have a go creating them. If you do, let me know down in the comments how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because it lets me know that you like this kind of content so I can create more for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.